Last winter, my apartment deadbolt started unlocking itself. Not rattling, not sticking, unlocking. I would lock the door, hear the click and 10 seconds later, thunk, open. I did it over and over again until I started timing it. Always 10 seconds. Not 9. Not 11. Maintenance brushed me off. Old building, they said. Wood expands, sure. So one night, just to prove I wasn't crazy, I pushed my entire couch in front of the door. That thing weighed at least 200 pounds. No way it was moving. At 3:12 a.m., I woke to the grinding sound of furniture sliding across hardwood. The couch was inching forward. Slowly. Relentlessly. Like someone was shoving it from the other side. Their shoulder wedged into it. Their breath fogging the wood. I grabbed the biggest kitchen knife I owned. Heart pounding so loud I swear the neighbors could hear it. Then the deadbolt clicked. Unlocked. The door pushed inward. Not all the way, just enough to show the darkness behind it, pulsing like a held breath. And then it stopped. Everything went silent. The kind of silent that makes your ears ring. The next morning, I checked the hallway security camera. Not a single person walked past my door all night. But in the bottom corner of the frame, barely visible, I saw the deadbolt turn. Not by a hand. By pressure. Like invisible fingers pressing down. Twisting. Testing. Learning. I moved out that afternoon. A month later, the landlord called to ask if I had noticed anything strange with the door. Apparently the new tenants can't keep the deadbolt locked either. And always at 3:12 a.m. If this story gave you chills, like and subscribe before your locks start acting strange too.